Ready to ditch expensive phone bills for a more affordable and awesome mobile plan? Let's get you signed up for Mint Mobile. First, navigate to Mint Mobile's website on your phone or computer. Look for the Get Started or Join Now button and click it. Next, you'll land on the plan selection page. Here, you'll find Mint Mobile's various plan options, from a few gigabytes per month to unlimited data, typically offered in 3, 6, and 12-month increments. Decide based on how much data you need and the length of plan that fits your needs and budget. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on Select Plan. Once you've picked a plan, a sign-up form will appear. This is where you'll enter your personal information. This includes your name, address, email address, and other details required for your account. Make sure to enter your information carefully and accurately. After you've entered your personal information, you'll be directed to the payment page. Mint Mobile offers different payment options, like credit, debit cards. Enter your payment details and make sure everything is accurate. Double-check your plan selection and the total cost before proceeding. Now, it's time for SIM card activation. You can choose to either activate with a new number or transfer your existing number from your previous carrier. If you need a new number, Mint Mobile will provide one. If you're transferring, you will be asked for information from your old carrier. The next step will be to select a SIM shipping option to have your new card delivered to your address. Congratulations! Once your account is created and your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation your SIM card will arrive soon. Activate your SIM card, pop it into your phone, and you're ready to enjoy Mint Mobile services.